Do you want to use Chat GPT as your personal helper, or let's say personal worker? If yes, and if you want to make $500 to $1,000 per day or per week with ClickBank affiliate marketing, then watch until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads and Chat GPT to basically get the results. So let's go straight into it. As you can see, I gave over here, act as a marketer, direct response. I gave them the prompts, right? So you're giving them a prompt. Now imagine, you must remember this. You must remember you cannot copy and paste what they give you. If you're just going to go straight copy and paste, you're not going to get results, and every single super affiliate will be rich just copying and pasting, because it doesn't work this way, right? I give them instructions, basically prompts, and they give me the answers back, right? So you have to ask very, very smart questions. As you can see here, right? Identify your target audience, set clear and measurable goals, craft a compelling offer, right? Develop a persuasive message, your ad copy, and so on and so forth. Okay, great. Now we got the help with Chat GPT. Now let's go straight into it, and let me show you exactly how this works, right? So you can understand how basically things works. Now most gurus on ClickBank, what they teach you, or on YouTube, what they teach you creating your ad, landing page, offer, and that's it. 3 simple steps. Now yes, this works, but what they forget to tell you, or what they don't want to tell you, right, is this. What do I do? So, see the difference? For example, if you have an ad, right, let's say call it Google ad or Facebook ad, right, or YouTube ad, then we have the tracker. In between, we need to have a tracker, right, to track the campaigns, and then we have the landing page, and then again we have the tracker, and then we have what? Affiliate network, support from affiliate network, and then the offer. You see how this works opposite, differently from what they teach you, and that's why we can get better results, because you don't want to lose money on ads. Look at this example. Imagine, for example, that your traffic source reports 500 clicks, right? Let's say Google say, okay, you got 500 clicks, but your tracker indicate, right, that only 400 of those clicks reach your landing page. So it means you lost out on 100 clicks were not reported. They basically disappeared. That could mean you lost $200 or even $300 US, right? So out of which 200 clicked on the call to action, CTA, right? And surprisingly, the affiliate network statistic only shows 130 clicks. So you see, these click numbers are known as click loss. It's called click loss because clicks disappear. So you don't know, okay, where 25% of the clicks went or 30% of the clicks went, you don't know. So that's why it's really, really important to do it this way. Because as an affiliate, I think you and me, right, we both want to make money. We don't want to lose our money on ads, right? We want to spend money seriously, but also we want to be focused on what we are doing, right? We don't want to lose money. So that's why it's very important to have someone to help you along the way, one-on-one, step-by-step. So basically, get the support you need if you really want to take this business seriously, right? If you really want to profit as an affiliate marketer. So the first thing that I do, for example, with campaign setup is I set up one campaign, and in one campaign I will have 5 ad sets and 1 ad per ad set, right? So that's how it works. That's my basic, let's call it strategy, right? We have a strategy, unique strategy we are using every single day, and that actually is proven to work and generate results, right? So the first of all, you need to choose an offer that's going to pay you at least minimum $50 to, let's say, $200 per sale. Now the best thing I want to tell you this, not only on ClickBank, also on MaxWeb, is if you're promoting weight loss supplements or any other digital products, you need to remember, you need to look for the product that has a good upsell take rate. Why? Because imagine this, let's say I make 100 sales as a newbie in a month, per month, at what? At $50. It means that I made $5,000 US, right? $5,000, not bad. I made $5,000, right? As a newbie, if someone is watching this video, if you're a newbie, you make $5,000 in a month or per week, whatever, right? Now, out of these $5,000, you could easily make extra $10,000, right? So actually, you would miss out on $10,000 because you did not choose the good product. You did not choose the proven product that has a good upsell take rate. Me and lots of other super affiliates out there, we know that we want to choose good product with good upsell take rate, right? What is upsell? For example, you buy an iPhone, right, for $1,000 or $2,000, and then they upsell you on this. You can see over here, right? So additionally, $200, $300 or something like that. So you see where I'm going with that, right? So that's how it works, and what you should really take in when you're starting your affiliate marketing strategy, right? You can miss on a lot of money. You can leave a lot of money on the table if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't have someone to help you along the way, right? So very important thing, especially with Google ads. I'm always saying Google is about quality, right? We're looking for quality sales, quality leads, right? So if you're watching this video, right, and if you want to get more help, we have weekly Zoom calls where we do trainings together, right? We do trainings. Now you can also join our free Facebook group and send me the email if you want to join. All the links are below in the description below, under this video, right below this video. You can find the links. You also find live videos in our groups, super bonuses, which are step-by-step done for you, and also the new hot offers in affiliate marketing that you can actually promote that are high quality, generate leads, and make great commissions as an affiliate, right? So if you're watching this video, what you can do next is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel over here. You can follow me on IG, Facebook, WhatsApp, or you can send me an email, right? If you really want to get started with affiliate marketing on this journey. So the last thing I'll tell you is this: one person with a commitment is always stronger than 1,000 people with an interest, right? Commitment over interest. And I'm telling you this, if you're always overthinking, procrastinating, never taking action, just waiting for next week, next month, next year, it will lead you to paralysis. So analysis leads to paralysis, right? You're going to be paralyzed by fear of not taking action, right? Now, another thing is, imagine if you had to really get a real job, 9 to 5, and you had to work for some basically bad boss, which you hate, because other people learned this skill, they took this action as they watch this video right now and got results, but you didn't, right? And that's the power of having the regrets, right, of not taking action. So you have to imagine, do you want to spend $5,000 to learn something, to basically get the results, or $3,000, whatever it takes, right, to move forward and basically get the results and take it seriously? Because if I had someone who told me, look, this is $5,000 US to get started for everything, and I paid them $5,000 and they helped me in 12 months or 6 months to make $50,000 back or $100,000 back annually, it's well worth it. Even if I only made $20,000 or $10,000, I make my money back plus profit. So it's all about understanding this is the real thing, real deal, right? If you take it like a joke, like a hobby, it will not work out for you. So if you take it serious, you can get really serious results as well, right? So I hope this makes sense. You can subscribe to this channel, like this video, right? Smash the like button, and follow me if you want to get the results and work with someone closely, interpersonal, build a relationship and friendship, and also move forward. So again, subscribe to this channel, and let's see you in the next one.